So here's the strategy that I'm using to earn online. So first, you would have a product or a service that you're selling, or it can be somebody else's product that you're promoting as an affiliate. Then you would create content on social media, let's say TikTok for example, and you would create content around the product or the service that you're selling. Then you're going to direct traffic from TikTok to what's called a landing page. This is a page where people can enter in their name and their email in order to learn more information about whatever it is you're offering. Then once people enter in their name and their email, they're going to come to what's called a bridge page. So this is a page that usually has a video of me or somebody else talking a little bit more about the product and letting them know what to expect when they click on the button to go to the next page. Then they're going to go from the bridge page to the sales page of whatever product or service that I'm offering. So this is where people can buy the product or the service for themselves. And if they buy it, then I would earn a commission. So like I mentioned, you can use this strategy to sell your own products or services, or you can use it to promote other products as an affiliate. Now, I use this strategy with affiliate marketing, and if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and how to start earning with it, make sure to like this video and also make sure to follow me.